I'm right next to you. Look good. Turn your signal off. What's he fucking doing with that?
Treehouse.
Treehouse. Well done. Oh no! What? The knife's gone.
No.
Yeah, the nice one. It's like my fourth one. I keep like losing them.
What, you're a self-stab?
Yeah, I had it in the picnic yesterday. I must have.
He said, "Oh, I got a special place." I'm like, "Oh, I think I know where it is."
Ooh, nice big one there. That's right.
That's what she said.
Didn't mess around, did I? Are we? We're not really going up there, are we?
Yep.
What?
What is this rated?
Dude, I can't fit up there. There's no freaking way. That thing will collapse.
What the hell are we doing?
Where do you see the quality of these nails, man?
Are you serious? We're eating up there?
You don't have to. You can eat down there. I'm not going to make you. I'm going to put a gun in your back, man. I'll throw you down. And you'll be some bread and ham and cheese. Please, sir. More bread.
Alms to the poor. Alms to the pour.
Oh, yeah. Right. Now this
Is Mega Mondo.
is Mega Mondo.
Wow! Wait, I need to get a picture of that.
No, just come up and get snacking. Get snacking. Right. The
Load rating.
What's the load
There's not many people who've seen you from this angle, Austin.
Right, Matt, when you climb up the ladder, just make sure your feet are on the edge, not in the middle of the rungs, yeah?
This is sketchy. I'm telling you, I'm not getting up there.
Come from a long line of firefighters. Yeah, I don't put
You gotta be fucking kidding me. We're going up here.
Ladder safety. In the Air Force, we do ladder safety once a year.
Oh boy.
This would not be
Is this a handle?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Ouch. That's right.
Greg.
We are probably gonna die.
Here.
Yeah,
Hold it.
Some soda.
Hold on a second. Mega Mondo. Mondo Calabria.
You guys are serious? There's no fucking way.
Let me see.
No. Respectfully, Toby, no.
You know that old Billy Bragg song? An accident waiting to happen? Kind of what's in my mind right now.
I don't want you to fall. I don't want you to fall. Is it on?
No, it's on.
Oh, well, I guess I can turn around. I mean, I've seen this show before. I'm not doing this. Let me have my soda back. And give me a fucking bag of chips, you fucking.
It's the language, Jerry. The language.
Before I come up there and really fuck you up.
Get it together, man.
Oh, God.
I don't want those. Give me the other green ones.
Oh, God. Nice.
I'm not doing that. No way, dude. That ladder. You could do it. I can't.
I just don't feel like it. I want to sit here in the sun, not up there.
I guess the peasants will just be down here.
We can eat cake.
Peasants.
I'm only like an hour and a half.
Oh!
Where there's a blame, there's a claim.
Hey, Sean, if the lawyers ask, we'll say that Austin said it was safe to go up there.
So I don't know about that.
Yeah, this is the reason why I didn't go up there.
Put your hand off his ass.
Yeah, stop touching his ass. That's sexual harassment. Go talk to your superiors about that.
I don't have any superiors, except for my wife. I love her much.
Oh wow, things always look different from higher up.
Ah, so great.
Okay,
So great.
who wants some chocolate?
Greg, are these yours?
If I must.
No. I think they're yours now.
Hang on.
Austin, thank you for doing this.
Did anybody see a bar of milk? You know
I did see that.
the lilac milky bar. No,
Oh, there is a
Not
cut in that
milk,
bag.
milky. Yeah,
I saw it for a second because I got all excited
Yeah.
when I saw it.
the bottom.
There she is.
Look, Oreo's cookie dough.
Oh!
I'm trying to Americanize the picnic
Appreciate that. Appreciate it.
and the American chocolate. It's garbage. Yeah, exactly.
No,
the
eat
little
it.
brown pieces
plenty
are
in there.
welcome. Right. Okay. So who wants some chocolate? I'm not going to open them if nobody wants
The
it.
lavender.
Yeah.
Lavender for the big boy.
What? Lavender rather than white.
He's always likes purple.
Well, you know.
Yeah, keep it still. Keep the camera still.
I got it.
And this will be the sting.
Nice.
And then reverse it in the edit.
Blanco?
No, not reverse the camera.
I know, reverse
the
your shot. I get it. I've done that before.
See, because of my ladder of safety, I have 3 points of contact at all times. Most people would have died there.
Yes, Greg.
I'm not
Right.
right.
Are you saying most people?
Who wants cookie dough?
Me.
Argue.
Thank you.
Me.
I've been good.
There's more. Tons of chips. We can have like multiple repeat
Chocolate goes
Echo
well with
picnics.
For happy hour tonight, we'll have the chips. Man, I'm surprised nobody died up there. That's great.
That'd be ridiculous. That shows you've got no knowledge of risk assessment at all. It's like Europe's most dangerous treehouse. Do me a favour.
Insurance company has
If that's dangerous, what's the Soviet nuclear industry of the 1970s then? If that's dangerous.
A deterrent.
I'm like, Matt, I'll go and get a wide. I can't bear it. I can't bear seeing the single camera position.
Mega Mondo.
Right, now I'll pick up some other shots, seeing as it seemed to be eating. Don't look at the camera. Ignore the camera, everyone.
Does that go back to?
Hang on, Matt. Can I just get another shot of you having a swig? Wait a minute. Wait. No, wait. Okay, now. Great, lovely. Shall I pause it? We've got a sequence. Okay, should we roll?
Yeah. Too much shenanigans going on.
Due to the hour, I'm going to drive straight to Las Hoteles.
Okay.
This is why Cornwall couldn't finish the fucking job.
That was a crazy little lunch. Mega Mondo rides again. clay tile. Hello, everybody.
You're supposed to sweep now. You're breaking protocol.
Go.
You're breaking protocol.
I'm not breaking protocol. I'm getting all you in film. Last day of filming, sir. Well, no, he's got the thing picking us up to drop us off around 3. Yeah, we'll be fine. Oh, we got three hour ride to town. That's their primary role. Right.
Right down, Greg. See if you can get. See if you can.
Good off the ground enough.
Yeah, that's perfect.